Hello my friends, welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday the 8th of September 2020. This is Jennifer. It's going to be a super short one today, my friends, because I have done very little. I am on track to have surgery on Thursday. I had my COVID-19 test this morning. It was not awful. I've heard all these horror stories. I mean, they did swab my nasal passages, but the guy was really good and it was over in a second. And now I wait for that. I did spend some time over the weekend helping my husband sand our old rocking chair. We'd given it to our daughter when she moved out. We bought it actually when I was pregnant with her. And the seat had cracked. I mean, it wasn't a very expensive rocking chair. We were very young parents anyway, so my husband repaired it, and we've just been hand sanding it. He, as a hobby, refinishes old tools, like wood-handled tools and things like that, and it's just the thing that he does to relax. So this is by far the biggest thing he's worked on as far as that goes. But I helped him do some details and stuff, and we still have a lot of work to do on it, but it really did help distract me from everything that's going on and what's coming up this week. You guys might remember that I bought a whole bunch of V-neck t-shirts. I got them in bulk, and they were all like, I think they worked out to $8 or $9 with shipping, like per shirt. I had been thinking for a while I wanted to do some freestanding lace and add it to some t-shirts. It's something I want to do for a long time. I just have never gotten around. You know how it goes. It's on the list. So this weekend I stitched out a whole bunch of freestanding lace. These are a couple of the things I stitched out. I stitched out a little butterfly, and this is just like a little free motif that I got from Bernina, and they showed it like on either side of a shirt where you could do it in reverse. I just made the one, and then I was on Urban Threads and was looking at their t-shirt accents, and I got two pieces, which is this neck piece here. You can see it's actually stitched underneath. They showed it in, I think it was black and red or something like that. I did it in white with like a silver thread, and then I bought this piece. So this one is stitched underneath, and then that one is actually stitched on top, and then I cut away the you can see I cut away the t-shirt fabric on there. This is it. It's the only thing I've done this week aside from help my husband sand a rocking chair. There's been a lot of other stuff obviously going on, more surgery prep. I did a whole bunch of stuff for Phantom and Stitches last week to try to just be as far ahead as possible so that if I can't get on my computer, if I just don't feel like it or whatever, the website will still have posts going up and that kind of thing. So pretty much it, guys. I don't know if I'll be doing anything else before Thursday. I'm kind of trying to keep myself busy, but I'm also dealing with some other stuff going on. So real life is definitely keeping me from crafting right now. I am thinking at some point, and you guys will have to remind me because I'll probably forget with everything going on, that I would like to stitch more things like this out. My neighbors are trimming their trees. We're just going to ignore them. I'd like to stitch more stuff like this out and maybe put it on a denim jacket, just like have little motifs everywhere. I just think that would be really fun. So you guys be sure and stop by Phantom and Stitches tomorrow for more Jurassic Park. I keep telling you the dinosaurs are coming. They're totally coming. They're on the way. You're getting there. That's going to continue through November. We've got all kinds of fun stuff coming up aside from our Quilts Along. There are lots of other great patterns that are going to be posted in the next few months. So, check back regularly, watch our social media. You'll see it all there. That is going to be it for me. You guys have a very wonderful week. Have a crafty week, and I will very hopefully see you next week. Tree trimming. It's always something outside, isn't it, guys?